Welcome home. So when you first enter, oh my god, I need to fix this. I totally forgot. The battery, when they turn it on, I forgot about that. I don't know. So this is my apartment. Yes. When you walk in, this is the entryway. I think I have like the wrong lens on right now. I can't zoom out, whatever. So this is the entryway. We have our little area for our TV right here. Doorway to enter in, lights, security. We got tons of windows. For where I live, this is tons of windows. It's amazing. My favorite part is the recessed lighting. That is gorgeous. I'm so excited about that. And as far as that goes, this is the living room where we would have our couch right here, TV right there, hallway over there. But first we're gonna take you through to the kitchen. So we have our dining area right here. Then we got the little light right here. Big window, I love that. Backyard door right there. And then if you turn over here, we got the kitchen. So we got a little space right here. And my boyfriend and I were talking about maybe putting like a little runner, like a table right here. I was thinking coffee station, or he was just thinking just to have like a table there to separate the room. My purse and my bag are there because I don't want anybody to steal it. We have a beautiful kitchen. My old apartment that I had didn't have a kitchen as nice as this. Like the countertops are nice and the cabinets are cool, but I don't know. But this is super cool. We got stainless steel appliances, stainless steel fridge, super nice, super spacious. I'm so excited because I haven't had a fridge all to myself in a long time. Mind you, I'm sharing with my boyfriend, but still, it's like us. It's not, yeah. So we got a really nice stove. When we came in, it was super dirty. And then we came in today, it's super clean. We're like, is this the same stove or did they get a new one? Like, I don't know. But I think they just cleaned it really well. We got a microwave. You can see me. Hey. I am so excited. So there's lots of noises. Before I take you outside, you know what? No, let's go outside. So this is my backyard. And the cool thing about it is that there is tons of space. I know some of y'all are going to be like, girl, there's concrete. It's not that spacious, but like all the other apartments were like right here. It's super nice. So that's our backyard. So coming in through to the hallway, my boyfriend's just moving things in. We have the hallway right here. Let me turn the hallway light on if I can figure it out. Wait, this room. There we go. So we got the hallway. It is super nice, super gorgeous. I love this. And then the first door to your left is our guest bathroom. So we got, whoops. So we got that. I can't wait to decorate this little bathroom. I'm super excited. Change out the shower, do some decor. Okay, I'm so excited. Then we got what is going to be, when you come to the right, first door to the right, will be the beauty room. First door to the right will be the beauty room. I'm super excited about this. It's a tad bit bigger. So we got the little, I forgot what this is called, what kind of ceiling it's called, but yeah. I have zero light on, I'm sorry about that. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a beauty room before and after. And then we have double door closet doors, lots of space. I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna make this my closet instead of sharing one with my boyfriend. This is just gonna be mine. And I'll get ready in here and whatnot. I'm so excited to decorate this area. You have no idea. Straight across from my beauty room, as soon as you exit, we have the washer and dryer. Nothing special, super cool. Came with the washer and dryer hookup. A lot of apartments around here actually do have washer and dryer hookup, and as well as fridge and whatnot. They're a tad bit more expensive, but they're not like super more expensive, I guess you'd say. Oh, to the left, oh my god, is the boiler? Yeah, boiler. To the right, sorry, this is super quick. we have our extra, what's gonna be our media room slash geek room. We're gonna put all our props in here, collectibles. We're gonna make this into a movie room. Super excited about that. And then the closet. It's tiny, but I mean, it's not, we don't need it. We don't need a big closet for a media room, really. And then as soon as you come out to your right, there is a hallway closet, which will be for cleaning supplies, towels, all that jazz. And last but not least is our master bedroom. So we have our closet. Not super big, but it's not small either. So yeah. And then last but not least, we have our shower. This is what really sold us on the apartment. Okay, you guys are gonna be like, but this is a small bathroom for a master bath. But this, oh my God, I just hit the door. This is what got us. It is the shower. I'm gonna clean it for sure. They cleaned, but I just feel like it's not clean enough. So it's pretty spacious actually. Really cool. Super excited. But that is it. That is it for this apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below if you want to see a full furnished apartment tour. I'm definitely going to be doing a beauty room reveal, but let me know if you want to see my media room transformation, how we go from start to finish, as well as the beauty room start to finish. Let me know if you're excited for that, because I'm definitely going to be doing that, because I was looking for so much inspiration on YouTube and Pinterest, and then I just started going on Instagram and I found more inspiration on Instagram, but YouTube and Pinterest is lacking a little bit. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna go help move now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.